Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about EverWebinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you set up text message reminders for your EverWebinar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up an SMS reminder for your EverWebinar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, you know that just because somebody registers doesn't mean they're going to show up. So if you can set up emails and text messages to remind them, we're more likely that they're going to show up. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EverWebinar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my EverWebinar, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know in order for this to work, you have to have a Twilio account. The text message is going to be managed through Twilio. Once you have that, you're going to link your Twilio to your EverWebinar. After that, then you're going to set up the text message reminder for your EverWebinar. Now, that's going to be a last minute reminder. So they're going to get it a few minutes before your webinar is going to start. So first off, what you want to do is here on the homepage of your EverWebinar, you're going to click on this little person icon here on the top right. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these 6 icons, and you want to click on integrations. Once you click on integrations, you're going to see these 4 options right here. Click on SMS. All right, once you click on SMS, you're going to see where you can go ahead and connect your Twilio account. You're going to use the Twilio SID. You need to enter auth token, and then you're going to go ahead and enter in the phone number right here, and then click on connect. Once you've done that, then you can go ahead and set up the text message reminder for your EverWebinar. So let me close this out. All right, so next what you're going to do is here on the left, make sure you've clicked on webinars. After you've clicked on webinars, you're going to see all the webinars you're running. Go ahead and choose the webinar that you want to add the text reminder to. So for example, this one, and you're going to click on edit. Once you click on edit, here on the top, you're going to see these blue dots. Click on the one that says notifications. It looks like a bell icon. Once you do that, here on reminder notifications, you're going to click on the pencil icon. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and set up your reminders. Now, pre-webinar reminders are always going to go through email, as you can see right here. However, if you want an SMS text reminder, it's going to be handled here. Last minute notification. As long as you've added in your Twilio, what you're going to do is you're going to click right here on add SMS. And that way they receive a text message reminder 15 minutes before your webinar is going to start. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a text message reminder to your EverWebinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.